Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday and it is Quick and Easy Tuesday. So I have a birthday treat box. You can make this for any occasion, Mother's Day. It's super easy. I did design this myself. I haven't seen one done like this before, so if you have, you can leave it in the comments. But yeah, it just opens like this and it's really, really easy to make. I have a birthday cake Kit Kat in here, but you can fill it with all kinds of goodies. This is 4 inches by 4 inches and it is 3/4 inches wide. And look how pretty this paper is. I am so in love with this paper. I'm definitely getting more. It is the Wildflower Birthday Designer Series paper. For those of you who are new, my name is Angie and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I post on Tuesdays and Sundays. And Tuesdays is always Quick and Easy Day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please share and comment, because all those things really, really help my channel. I want to show you the paper first because the paper is absolutely beautiful. And you can use any of the designs on this, because look at this paper, y'all. It's got that gold accent in it. And this is the one I used for this, but look at the gingham with the other flowers. Wouldn't that be beautiful? I was going to change it up, but I thought, no, I love this so much, I'm going to just use that. But I am a gingham girl. And then this has little tags and stuff you can cut out. This is a birthday cake, and it is also gold foiled. And then this design, I used this on Sunday's project. And then this design here with the flowers on the back, all of these I have gold accents to it. And then this one has the gingham. And then I got the one with the sticker pack, but you can get it without this, it's not stickers. This is ephemera pack, but you don't have to. But this is great for scrapbookers. If you like to scrapbook, this is perfect for it. And I thought that's what I'll use for mine, is to scrapbook. And then the stamp set I'm using is the Country Birdhouse dies. I'm using the Happy Birthday on here, but you can put Hello Friend, you can put Best Day Ever, anything you like on it. But I'm using the flowers, all from the Country Birdhouse. And then I am using the Nested Essential dies, and I'm using it for this die right here. And that's to just cut the design in here. You can leave it square if you want to, you can leave it square. But this gives it so much more design to it. It just makes this box, I think. So there's the flowers that I used. I cut out all the flowers in different colors. I used Blueberry Bushel. I used Flirty Flamingo, and this is Peach Pie. All right, let's get started. It's so easy to do. You are going to be in shock. Okay, so you're going to need 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. One is 10 by 4 and one is 8 by 4. And we are going to score each one of these. One's for the outside of the box, one's for inside of the box. So the shorter piece, 8 by 4, is for the outside, and this one is for the inside. So let's go ahead and score. I'm going to score on the 10-inch side. I'm going to score with the thicker side of my stylus because this is Designer Series paper. And we're going to score at 1/2, at 4 1/2, 5 1/4, and 9 1/4. And that's it on that piece. And then this piece we're going to score on the 8-inch side, and you're going to do it at 1 1/2, 2 1/4, 6 1/4, and 7. And that's it for this piece. You're wondering, how is this going to work, right? Okay, first thing that we're going to do is on the shorter piece, I'm going to show you how I'm running this through with this Essentials die right here, Nested Essential die. So we're going to get the design on this. Okay, so we need our cut and emboss. And I got out my new plates for y'all today. Aren't they pretty? They're always pretty. They don't last long that way. But what we're going to do is partial die cut. So you are going to line this up and make sure it's even on both sides. And I usually put a piece of mint tape right at the top there so it holds it. Now the part that is partial is what you're going to do is you're going to slide this one in here and you're going to put it up to your score mark, which is right here. I'm going to just put it right up to my score mark right there. Don't put it all the way down or it's going to cut it through. So you just want it up to that score mark. I push it in and then we're going to roll it through. And that's going to be it. It's going to cut that top design. Which really I think makes this. So can you see that right there? We're going to turn it around and we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to line this up, and now this score mark is shorter, so be very careful with this one. So line it right up to the top there. Again, put this inside. This is so easy, y'all. And then put it right up to your score mark. And I push it through till it just catches, and then just push it through. And that's our other side. It's really easy. You need to give it a try if you haven't tried it. So there's our two sides right there. All right, so we're going to move this all out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and sharpen all our score marks. So this is the outside piece, so we're going to use the little dotted side. So that's going to be our outside, and then this is our inside piece. We're going to fold this one the opposite way. Make sure you sharpen these really good because it does make a difference. And I am going to use some Seal Plus on this little tab right here, this 1/2 inch one. Go all the way down that. And this is going to fold in. I'll line those up. And then make sure that the folded sides are going down when you do this part. And then, whoops, we're going to take this and we're going to attach it here. And that's going to close the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is put adhesive just on this top part. You know what, I'm going to use wet glue because this really helped me to get it lined up. So I'm going to put it on this top part here. And then I'm going to put it on the middle part. Okay, and then you're going to just set this down. Let's see, I want it to go that way. You want the openings to go on the top. So I'm going to line that up with the edges. And then you're going to bring this piece up. And you do have to hold this for a second so it, you know, it grabs the adhesive. I did stick my hand in there last time to get it to stay. Just make sure it's lined up really good and your little spots on the bottom are closed. If you use Seal Plus, it'll go really fast, but this I think is easier when you're gluing the bottom because you can line it up real easy. All right, I think that's good. Did I move that a little bit? I sure did. This is why I like the wet glue. There we go. Get your bone folder. This bone folder is so good. I just had someone else just said how they love this bone folder, and it is. It has been so good for me. I told you I was late at the game getting one of these, but I love this one. All right, so look at that. Now we're going to grab some, I really like using the magnets on stuff for adults, but you can make these for kids as well. So I'm going to just use some of these little Velcro dots, and I'm going to just fold that down, make sure it's even on both sides, and I'm just going to mark a little dot where I need to put the other one. This is just easier for me than trying to hold it and press that down. And someone said put your goodies in there. I don't have another thing, but I could see where that could help a lot. I didn't have another Kit Kat, so we're just gonna go with it like this. So isn't that cute? And then you can actually just decorate it how you like, but I loved adding the flowers. It's so pretty. I'm going to be using the bow punch as well, and we are going to punch some of these larger ones out of the soft sea foam. I love this punch because I love the leaves on it. I hope this doesn't go away. Oh, and also we're going to punch some of these out of the gold, these little ones. The gold foil here to give that little gold accent. And I'll grab all my little flowers and we will get going on this. Alright, so I'm going to use wet glue again for this. I'm going to add our leaves first. And I'm doing it all on this very top. And overlap those like that. And then we're going to put I'm going to wait to put the gold on. I'm going to put the flowers on first because I'm using mini dimensionals to put all the flowers on. So I'm going to do, I think I'll do a big of the blueberry bushel one. These are all the colors in this designer series paper, y'all. I love coordinating. That's what I love about Stampin' Up. Everything coordinates. Our dyes, our ink, our blends, our designer series paper, our cardstock. It all just goes together so pretty. And it's hard to, if you're not good at matching things, it's really hard to get the same shades of everything. And I mean, I do it, but good grief. This takes all the thinking out of it. Let's see, what else should we put on here? Let's put another one of these peach ones. You can put as many flowers as you like. I think I'm going to do one more. I'll do one more of the blueberry bushel, the little tiny one. Right there. And then I'm going to add the little gold accents here. I'm going to slide these underneath. Let's make this a little shorter. Well, let's do that one over here. And then we'll do the other one on the other side. I'm going to make this one shorter as well, because I put the flowers in different areas this time. And we'll do this one on this side. And that's it, y'all. Super easy. Oh, where's my sentiment? Forgot to stamp my sentiment. Alright, I have a 1/2 inch piece here, and I'm going to stamp the happy birthday. This way I'll have 2 ready to go for a birthday. I usually do these things for my coworkers and friends. And then we're just going to glue this one on as well on the bottom. You can leave it plain if you want. There you go. Now it's complete. Isn't that pretty? I love these. I think they're so fun, super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog, StampingWithAmore.com. Here's my February host code. If you place an order, I would appreciate you using the host code. Don't forget celebration. Don't miss out on it. It's one of the best times of the year. I hope you have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.